Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is an extra lesson in English by Sheikh Yunus Palanpuri, Damat Barakatuhum. That which I am about to read, please read it. Allah Ta'ala will protect you from all types of evil for life. Read along with me. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min sharri kulli shay'in anta akhidhum binasiyatihi. Read the translation along with me. O Allah, I am asking for your protection from the evil of everything that is under your control. This dua and prayer is found in authentic hadith. The respected Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to read this. This dua and prayer is found in my book, The Weapon of the Believer, and in my book, The Protection of Allah, on page 174, with full references there. Learn this, teach it to others, and make this a lifelong practice of reading this. Read it at least once or twice in a 24-hour period so that Allah Ta'ala grants us all full protection from all types of tribulations and evils. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen.